How to add depth of field in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import your clip into the timeline and go to the color page. This is where all the magic happens for adding visual effects like depth of field. Next, create a new node by pressing Alt plus S and add a depth map effect from the effects panel. This tool helps DaVinci Resolve understand which parts of your image are near and which are far away. After applying the depth map, adjust the focus and blur settings. Use the near limit and far limit sliders to decide which areas stay sharp and which get blurred. This step is crucial for a natural and smooth depth effect. Now, go back to the effects panel and search for Gaussian blur or lens blur. Add it to a new node after the depth map node. Then, connect the depth map as an input to control where the blur is applied. This creates that soft and controlled out of focus background look. Fine-tune the blur intensity so your subject stays in clear focus while the background gets a beautiful creamy blur. Finally, play your clip to see how the effects look in motion. Make any necessary tweaks in the depth map or blur controls to get the perfect cinematic depth of field. And that's it. Now you know how to add depth of field in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.